to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Yes, my voice is still messed up from allergies. Let's do it. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. Here we go. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver, and we're gonna open her up. So, Stitch Fix, if you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, there's a description down below and my referral link. If you want to try Stitch Fix for yourself and you haven't tried it before, you get $25 towards your first box, whatever, purchase, whatever. They send you back the mailer, send back what you don't want to keep. They have a stylus note and the invoice, and let's read it. Yeah, everything's linked down below. All my other boxes or whatever I do too. Happy Fix Day, Rachel, and happy birthday. This is my birthday fix. What are your plans for celebrating? I took the day off work. This jumpsuit from Kaylee could be a great option for any plans you may have. I do like jumpsuits, especially when they have sleeves, and this one, spoiler alert, does. Add a jean jacket if it's chilly. It will be because it, and the merch. You're probably gonna see this in April, I imagine. Add a jean jacket if it's chilly. To finish this fix, I started with the pink pants for you. This color will complement the two tops that you chose during your preview. I did choose some tops. And the blouse from last time as well. Someone commented on the last Stitch Fix, it's like, yeah, those are all very Stitch Fix shirts. It's like, it's Stitch Fix. How do you feel about the length and fit of the short sleeve cardigan? I know that you like things a bit cropped or easy to tuck. I hope you have a wonderful birthday and look forward to reading your feedback on these items. Until next fix, Alyssa. Is it Alyssa or Elisa? Let me know. Alyssa or Elisa, if you watch these videos. Yeah, so yay. Okay, let's see our fix. Ooh, oh, first off, let's just get this one out of the way. Look at this. That is cute. That is the Moto Luxe Marisol Clutch in Off-White. Ooh la la. Look at her. Oh, and she has a chain. The inside's cute. This is a zipper up here. Ooh, she deep. She deep. She goes all the way down. Dang, girl. If I could ever downsize my purse, this would be really, really cute. Maybe. All right, maybe. We'll see. That's really cute. Little tassel. I like that. All right. All right, here's the bundle. Look at her. That's our jumpsuit, I think. That's pretty cute. Cute colors for spring. Just trying not to, die from my allergies. I just had a little coughing fit. I'm fine. It's fine. We're all fine. All right, let's open her up. I'll go over prices and everything at the end. If you've been here before, you know. Also, I said this in my Wantable video, but the lipstick I'm wearing, someone asked, is the Maybelline Vinyl Ink. Super Stay Vinyl Ink in the color Red Hot. Red Hot. Check them out. I love them. They don't really come off easily. They're kind of glossy. It's like their matte one, but the gloss. Here is the jumpsuit. Is this the front? Yeah, this is the front. So it's very V-neck. It has a little tie right there. Does it have pockets? Yes, it has pockets. So that's cute. That's cute for spring. I like that green. That might be a winner. This whole box could be. We'll see. Do I dare? Maybe it might be a 5 for 5. Probably not, because the pants, they're pink. They're light pink, and I just don't know if I can pull that off. Sorry, I didn't read it. Gosh, Rachel. All right. Kaylee, J. Lee, jumpsuit in green, size large. This is the Beacon Feign long sleeve knit top in light purple, size large. I think I picked this one in the preview. I thought it would be cute for work. I'm really into purple lately. If you watched my last Wantable video, I think the link's over here. I spoiler alert, I kept a purple shirt. But I've been really into it lately. And I thought this one was nice with all the different colors in it. And, oh, this one's got some paper on it. Look at this little cute cardigan, short sleeve. That's kind of cute. Look at the little detail. It's kind of nice. I like that color. And this is the Less Serene Menton short sleeve cardigan in blue, size large. And lastly, we have the Studio Blue, Sophia High-Rise Relaxed Utility Pocket Pant in pink, size 14. So we'll see. We'll see about that. All right, let's try stuff on. I think I like this cardigan. If you watched my Wantable, I didn't like that cardigan. Spoiler alert. But this one's really cute. I don't know if it's that you could just wear it just as a shirt. And like, I have a cami on under it. I think that's cute. I like the sleeves. They have like a little pleating going on up here, so it gives it some, you know, oomph. But like, I don't look like a linebacker, you know? I like the length of it. The button, like, this is staying together. Like, it's not really separating when I move, which is a big thing, you know, for bosomed girls. You get it. I think that's cute. Looks good with jeans. I think it would look good with work pants. I think this is really cute. Cute, cute, cute. I say cute all the time. I need a new adjective. I think this is really darling. It's darling. Okay. Now, I don't dislike these pink pants as much as I thought I would. I don't love them, but I don't dislike them as much as I thought. This purple shirt, I think, is just a little too baggy in certain areas. Like the sleeves, I feel like are a little too big. Like down here, it's kind of loose in the cuff area, so I think that would drive me nuts. I think it should be like either fitted or have like some elastic in it or something. But I really like the color. I like the purple. I think that's nice. Here's the pants. They're okay. I didn't think I was gonna like them at all. And like I said, I don't love them, but they're not bad. They're not horrible. They have nice, really deep pockets. They have pockets in the back too. I think I wrote in my note though, I'm a skinny jeans girl. So even though these are like a little bit cropped, I don't know if you can see, like my black socks. Here's my shower. They're not horrible. They're not my favorite. So far, that cardigan's darling. So, like even tucked in, I just feel like I look like an Easter egg or something. And I think it's just because I'm not used to wearing like colored jeans or whatever. But not my favorite. Let's try on the jumpsuit. Here's the jumpsuit. It's darling. I think it's really cute. I don't know if I'd wear it to work them. So I have a short sleeve jumpsuit from Stitch Fix that's more of like a buttery soft material, and this one's more like slippery. So this isn't like on my other one. If I were to put it like this, it would stay there, but this one's just gonna slip right down and have the cleavage showing. So I don't think I could wear this to work unless I wore a cami under it, which I could, but I don't like that like kind of straight off kind of cut look on me personally. Hello. And here's the length with my black socks. I really do like the cropped jumpsuits from Kaylee from Stitch Fix, because I have short legs, so if it were like a full length one, it would just be like, it would be too much. So I really like the cropped on there. I think this pattern is really cute. Very spring, very summer. I do really like it, but now that I know that I like it, I could always just purchase it as like a one-off from them, from their store, or like watch it to see if it goes on sale, because Stitch Fix, they do have like sale items now too that are going out of season or whatever. So maybe I'll look out for that. Here's my shower. I keep angling the camera in weird areas, so you get to see like the whole bathroom. But I think this is cute. I do like it. Again, it has some like pleating here, so like pleating must be very back in again. It has a fake tie right here. The tie doesn't do anything. The sides look cute. So yeah, here's the back. So it's got a nice deep back on there too. So I think it might be that cardigan. So let's go over prices and see how much things are. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices! Here we go. The Kaylee Jaylee jumpsuit in green, $58. It was nice, a little too slinky of a material. Beacon Fein long sleeve knit top in light purple, $38, size large. It was just okay. The Motolex Marisol Clutch in Off-White, that is $48. And I was considering that, but I put a lot of stuff in my purses, so I just don't think I'd get much use out of it. If you're wondering, this shirt's from Kohl's. It's like the Simply Vera Vera Wang. And I don't usually wear collars, but this one's like really flat to the shirt, so I think it's okay. So I have a short neck. And then the Studio Blue Sophia High Rise Relaxed Utility Pant in pink, size 14, $60. I'm going to choke from my stupid allergies. And the Lace Serene, it's spelled L-E-S and then S-E-R-E-I-N. Menton short sleeve cardigan in blue, size large, $44. I think I'm gonna keep that one. I don't have anything like it, and I think it's really cute. $44. So the Stylist subtotal, $248. If you buy everything, you get 25% off. So $186 would be the whole box. I don't have a styling fee. Oh, I cut myself. Sorry, I got distracted. I cut myself on my phone there, and yeah. I don't have a styling fee because I have a Style Pass, which is $49 for like the whole year. That renews, I think, in June for me. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep that for $44. Happy birthday to me. Anyway, I just had a coughing attack, so we're gonna end this here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, evening, morning, night, whatever it is when you're watching this, and we'll see you next time.